I'm A and A is for apple. I'm B and B is for ball. I'm C and C is for cat. I'm D and D is for dog. I'm E and E is for egg. I'm F and F is for frog. I'm G and G is for goat. I'm H and H is for hat. I'm I and I is for ice. I'm J and J is for juice. I'm K and K is for kite. I'm L and L is for leaf. I'm M and M is for moon. I'm N and N is for nest. I'm O and O is for owl. I'm P and P is for pig. I'm Q and Q is for queen. I'm R and R is for ring. I'm S and S is for sun. I'm T and T is for tree. I'm U and U is for umbrella. I'm V and V is for vase. I'm W and W is for will. I'm X and X is for xylophone. I'm Y and Y is for yarn. I'm Z and Z is for zoo.
Great job, kids! You have learned all the letters of the alphabet. Now remember to watch this video again and again to memorize the letters. Practice them with your parents and have fun! And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun learning videos.